She did like my friends. Big, beautiful. Time here for this prayer wheel. This is where the wheel gets its life. Kind of like when somebody graduates and they get their license, right? Or title. And when a soul gets into a body and body gets a mind, or there's many ways that we can see the analogy, but it changes from just being a box, right? Because right now it's just a beautiful box, into a real prayer wheel. And what makes it a real prayer wheel is the mantra. In this case, we use microfilm right here. It has thousands and thousands in each one of this one, maybe like 11,000, I think, or 9,000, because I have two different forms. So when you add them up and you roll them into this much, it's millions of them. They end up being millions. And there's this book here, The Wheel of Great Compassion, The Practice of the Prayer Wheel in Tibetan Buddhism, by Lama Zopa Rinpoche. Beautiful book, exquisite book. Like, it has the story of a prayer wheel, where does it come, how it made it to this realm. And yeah, so basically you have what's called the earth mandala and a sky mandala, and you have this life tree or central shaft. Let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit. And yeah, so it has this omahum and then all these mantras that are placed at the beginning before the mantra to bless the wheel properly. And yeah, everything actually comes in this book right here. So I mean, you can get particular instructions from your book, from your teacher, from your lama, but everything is here. And it gives you the diagrams, how to do it, how to place in different ways, like things you can scan them right there. I print them in both paper and in wood. So yeah, it depends how you want to do it. You can be as creative as you want. These are some examples of the mantras. And then you could look at the mantras in the microfilm with one of those pocket microscopes. And yeah, I was very hesitant to do it. It took me like 2 years to make my first wheel, because I was like, this is just such a holy thing. And then, you know, I didn't feel ready to do it. But then I kept asking my teacher, and my teacher was just like, just do it. Just finish it. And it's better to do something than just leave it in your mind, right? It's even better if you, even if you are not completely perfect, but if you're doing it with a pure intention and a clear heart and following the instructions to the best of your ability, it's best to do something than just leave it as a thought. And I also had some instructions from Garchen Rinpoche, and he said that, because I kept asking for permission to do the wheels, and he said anybody can do the wheels. Anyone that has the devotion, the skill, just do them. You know, they're such a powerful, beautiful technology. They bless all space. The mantras mix with the elements, like, right? The wind mixes with all the other elements in it. But it's all space, and it's such a powerful tool. So if you feel inclined to do it, this is why I'm doing these videos, to inspire people to share whatever little thing I know, and also inviting others that might have more experience and more ability and more skill to share what they know. And so we can have many prayer wheels blessing this earth, creating harmony, peace, love, joy, and a bunch of whoop whoop.